Larry here. If you have a Whirlpool washer and you're experiencing problems with it, this could save you a service call and a lot of money. It's a very easy fix. You could do it yourself. You want to take this latch off the lid on the washer, take the piece, and you can put it in this way. Make sure you put it in this way. If not, it won't work. What this will do is allow you to run the washer with the door open. I highly recommend you be super careful because it is very dangerous with it spinning there. This is just for test purposes. Now, you can see what happens. The agitator is working one way, and it just wraps the clothes around, tangles everything up, doesn't wash it. If you have it on high water, it's going to throw it all out. It will keep filling up. Okay, this is the part. It's the capacitor. I'll give you the part number and stuff where you can actually see the part number there. It goes up underneath it. You can see it right there. Very easy to get to. I didn't even unplug the water hoses. I just unplugged the electrical plug, tilted it back, and I've got access to it. You pull the plug out of it. It's an 8mm bolt you got to take off. You use 8mm socket, 10-inch extension, and a ratchet. That's pretty much what you're going to need. Now, I did pull the other black plug out. Not really necessary. Just gives me more room. I want to apologize first that the video is a little bit shaky here because I'm holding the camera in one hand and I'm trying to work with the other. Not exactly having fun with that. Now, it is very easy. It comes out. The other one goes right back in. Same place. Just put the bolt in. Put your plugs in. And I got this one all mounted in. And then I did have an issue. It's nothing that you really have to worry about, but it wasn't supposed to happen. But what it is, the capacitor matches up the part number. It's supposed to be the replacement for it. But the plug didn't fit in there. As you'll see, I'm fighting with the plug here for a second. And I knew something was wrong since I turned it a couple different ways and it still wouldn't go. So I had to take this capacitor back down and find out what was going on. And it's not a big deal. I'll show you. You can take care of the problem. I didn't have to reorder anything. I still could use the same capacitor. But they don't send any paperwork with this telling you what you got to do. See the notches in the new capacitor and the notches in the old one? They don't line up. The plug has these little tabs sticking on it. They have to line up in there in order for the plug to go in. All you got to do is clip them off. The plug will be so snug in there, it's not going to come out. You just stick it in there. Take the tabs off and stick it in. Very simple. But I mounted it back up, and you could do this in a few minutes. Doesn't take much at all. Plug it in. I put the black plug in. I just took it out just to have working room. And it's back, and it's ready to go. So now we're going to just test it out and see how it's doing. But as you can see, that's an easy fix you could do yourself. You don't need to pay a service call. There's the new capacitor up in there. Now, you can see the difference in the water. That's how they should be working. That way it won't tangle your clothes. It's going to wash your clothes much better. And it don't keep refilling up. Because that's one of the issues that goes along with that problem. Right now I'm just testing out the circuit on it. And as you can see, it drains okay. It will test the spin cycle. And that should do it. But as you can see, it's draining out pretty good. I'm not going to do the whole thing. It's going to take too long. But now we're doing the spin. We're just doing enough just to show you that everything is working. You're not going to run the full cycles. Or you don't want to sit around watching videos all day. At least not this one. All right, thank you for watching. Have a great day. If it helped you, please subscribe and give a thumbs up.